Welcome to coloring your hair with Madison Reed Radiant Cream Color. This technique should be used if you're going lighter or to a shade with more red. Start with dry, unwashed hair the day after your last shampoo is best. Wear a shirt that opens in the front and have towels on hand. Always wear your gloves and conduct a sensitivity test 48 hours prior. Prep your hair by dividing, then clipping it into 4 separate sections. Apply the included barrier cream to prevent staining on your forehead, neck, and ears. Don't get the barrier cream on your hair, as that will block the color from your hair. Wash and dry your hands and put on the gloves provided. Puncture the color tube with its cap. We will be using a bowl and brush for this application. Squeeze half the color into a non-metallic bowl. Open the conditioning color activator and squeeze half into the bowl. Use an applicator brush to blend the mixture into a thick cream. Apply color to the mid-lengths of your hair, starting about 2 inches away from your scalp. Work one section at a time, being careful not to apply the color directly to your scalp. Massage color down the length of your hair to the ends, making sure the color is distributed evenly. Use all of the color you have mixed. Take off your gloves and set a timer for 20 minutes. Mix the remaining color with the remaining conditioning color activator in the bowl. Put on your second pair of gloves. Work your way down in rows about a 1/4 inch apart, one section at a time. Fully saturate the hair at the scalp with the remaining color for complete coverage. Gently massage the color into your roots and down the entire length of hair a second time. Put on the cap and set a timer to let the color process for 35 minutes, for a total of 55 minutes, or 65 minutes for maximum gray coverage. Take off your gloves and use the cleansing wipe provided to clean any color off of your skin. When your processing time is up, rinse your hair until the water runs clear. Then shampoo, condition, and enjoy your gorgeous new hair color.